Hey, hey, I'm going to do a tray today, and never done anything this big with resin that's just fully resin. I think it's going to take about 12 ounces or so of resin. This is a 16-ounce cup, so I'm going to do equal parts of A and B together, mix them about 5 minutes, and then I will put some resin in with this crushed lilac colored glass, and then I'm going to use mica powders from Arteza Dusk Purple and put that into some resin. It's really pretty. Since this is my first time basically experimenting with a tray, I do actually want to put a little bit of white. I may put a little cotton white and some, and just for a little bit of variation in the different colors. So I'll put a separate color bottom cup for that. So I'm going to put my part A and B in each cup. I'm going to give myself at least I don't know, about 7 ounces or so. I'm going to mix more than I maybe need, and if I do, I'll put it in a coaster and make a coaster with it or something. But it's always good to do a little more than be short. Like I said, it's got to be exactly equal parts. This resin is ZD Sticky. I don't know how else to say it. And I'm going to put on my safety glasses, my respirator so I won't be talking during the rest of it, and I'm going to do another video putting some resin in here. This is a new little mold that I bought that's actually a children's plate, so it's got a kind of a heavier bottom and it's not quite as flexible, but I thought it might work decently for a little bit larger piece besides a coaster size. So I'm gonna get my glasses on and respirator, and we'll probably fast forward through the rest of this. Definitely during the mixing part, because it's slow and boring. So, gonna unmold my first smaller tray. Let's see what it looks like. It's a little flexible, so it'll take another 24 hours or so to totally cure and turn really hard. So there it is. So you can have either this side where there's a little bit more chunkiness on the edges, or this side which is totally flat and smooth. The gold leaf, and it's a little bit transparent but mostly purple feeling. Also got some glitter. So I hope you enjoyed this video. There will be many more of these to come, I promise. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out all the links below the video, and stay tuned for future videos. Thanks. Bye-bye.